So let me show you the AU hop drills. So you're going to be hopping from one side to the other doing the AUs without standing up, keeping the hands flat on the floor and landing nice and control on your toes. Nice. Now that you have seen the drills, let me break it down step by step for you. So I'm going to go to my right side. So I'm going to place my right hand behind my leg, not in front of it. My hand will be flat so I can support my weight, not just the fingers. And my other arm is going to go just in front of it so I can practice just the drills, just set up to go from the hop by literally going to just step and place my foot on the other side. Same thing. So I'm just practicing the drill and slowly I can progress. If you get dizzy or if you get tired, just relax as many times as you need. Take your time and then you practice to the other side. So you're going to place the left hand now, right hand in front of it. I'm going to push from that toe, practice the setup first, and then I can hop, landing nice and control on my toes from one side to the other, and every time I bring my legs higher, I can increase the speed, and ideally I'm going to keep my hands flat on the floor without taking them off the ground. At the beginning you might lose your balance, it's normal, but you get used to it. The more you do it, the more strength will build up and you coordinate yourself in a way that you can control the legs nice and all the way around.